Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Fun Crafts. Today we're showing you the best and easiest sock mask design. All you need to make this design is a sock and a pair of scissors. I've put all the instructions step by step on the screen so you guys can go make your own sock mask right now. If you guys have any questions on how to do it, please put them in the comments below and I will make sure to get back to you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys all for watching Simple Fun Crafts, and we will see you next time.